Check left cornering light. Let's see what's wrong with the bulb. (2005) Porsche Cayenne, warning on the dash to check the left cornering light. And because it says that it's the left cornering light, we're going to replace the cornering light on the driver's side headlight assembly. Let's start. Now before we continue, let's get our Porsche special tool. Our special tool is in the trunk, under the trunk cover, next to our tool set. This one. Now if you don't have this, you can buy it online or from a dealer. The headlight screw is located behind this plastic cover. To remove this plastic cover, you just have to put a screw on the outer side and you can flip it open. Just like that. That screw in there is what we need to twist. We need to twist it clockwise to release the headlight housing. Now I will insert the socket tool and twist it clockwise, and you will see the headlight move a little forward. Twisting it clockwise. And you see it is releasing the headlight housing. Pull the headlight housing all the way out. Now behind the headlight assembly, there's two metal clips that hold the cover in place. So simply push it outward, so that we can take out the base of the headlight assembly. Now with the two retainer clips out, we can wiggle out the base or the cover. Now the challenging part is there's your cornering lights. I hope it shows well on camera. There. I don't know how I'm gonna show that on removing. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna use a pick tool. Hopefully you can see it well. Well, you know what? Let me adjust our camera angle. Alright, this is the best camera angle that I can do. That's the cornering light. These are the two metal clips holding it in place. Then this is the wire for the bulb. Now I'm going to use a pick tool to try to release it. I'm going to push it down and push it outward so that we can take it out. I hope I'm not blocking. If I am, I'm sorry. Here we go. That's one, and that's two. Okay, with that out, we can pull out the bulb. Yay! So I am not really satisfied with the recording of the removal of the corner light bulb. So I re-recorded the process in close proximity so that you can see better on how to remove the retainer pins behind the base of the bulb. I hope this close-up helps. Alright, this is the bulb. Let me put that here. Let me get the replacement bulb. Okay. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old bulb and the new bulb. And I forgot to mention that you need an H3 for the corner bulb. So we're gonna reconnect the same way we took it out. Now for the base of the bulb, one is slightly concave or half mooned and one is square. We have to put the somewhat square on the bottom like this, and the rounded base on top. So we'll see if we can do that without blocking. Sorry, just have to trust me if I'm blocking. It's kind of hard to do. There's no space to record. Alright, slide in carefully, very carefully. There you go. See the base? Now we're gonna put the clip back carefully again. Gonna push in. Can't even see where I'm going. Oh, okay. Patient. So flip in, push outward, and lock in place. Same with the bottom. Let's see if I can press it outward. There you go. Alright, so it locked in place. Then we're gonna connect the pigtail connector. Oops, give me a second. I hope I didn't lose the angle. Okay, let me just connect this first. There you go. There you go. Alright. So that's the corner bulb. These are the locking metal clips. And this is the pigtail connector. Now let's put back the cover. Now putting back the cover, you just slide in back the cover. Then put the metal clips back in place. Make sure it goes in this slot where it's supposed to. Now let's put it back. To reinstall the headlights, we have to align the bottom with the housing guides and push it back in its position. After pushing it back in its position, turn it counterclockwise until you hear a strong snap. Don't worry, it's not going to be breaking. It's just a snap for locking it in place. There you go. Then put back the plastic cover or the headlight screw. And you're done. Okay, now let's turn on the vehicle. Turn on the headlights. And no more warning, yay! And just for fun, let's turn it side to side to activate the cornering lights. Nope, no warning. And we'll even check the vehicle info for any warnings. And as you can see, the left cornering light warning is gone. We fixed the issue. Okay, I know it's daytime and it's a little hard to see, but I'm gonna show you that it's working now. So here's turning it to the driver's side, then here's turning it away from the driver's side. And as you can see, when it's pointing towards the corner, it's lighting up. Ta-da! Okay, so it's somewhat easier to see on the passenger side. So just to show you as reference, away and going to the side of the passenger. Alright, cornering light is now fixed. And that is how to replace and fix a left cornering warning light on a 2005 Porsche Cayenne. This has been another episode of How to Howlin'. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching.